ladies and gents, boys and girls, gays, straights, kings, queens, and everything in between. How are you doing? We're me and my good pal, Mr. Johnny Peg, and Dave from Northern Outdoors Official. We're in Kent this weekend at a community bushcraft thing. But it's a bit windy, so I apologise for the wind noise. And yeah, we're at a ranch. I don't know if you can see in the background. Let's go over and I'll try and pan round and you can kind of see it in the background. I don't know if you can see that back there. The old style western windmill and all that. Yeah, so community bushcraft weekend. Camping like you do in the old DD tent. Same with Johnny. Plenty of grog, plenty of shotguns. They're doing the grouse, aren't they? So, and it's a lovely day, as you can probably tell off the shine off the top of my slap head. But yeah, so we're going to, it's not going to be a big video this, I don't think, but I'll try and capture some of the stuff that's going on over the next 2 or 3 days, or 2 days. And you might find it interesting, you might not. Either, well, we do, so. So yeah, so watch this space. And so now, if you don't mind, I'm going to bugger off and have another beer. Cheers. Beautiful wild horses. Going to say hello in the field. How cool is that? That's fantastic. That's lovely. Beautiful creatures. So I've got a little mate. Lets me stroke him and everything. Right, pal. Yeah, he's all right. Hello again. So we're just having a few beers, you know. Hello.
What the peckers?
Oh shit! Hello. So we have a few beers with our very good new friends, all bushcrafters from across the YouTube world, far and wide. And we've got a little bit of Jack Johnson going, and there's some guitars behind me, but I'm not going to play them because I'm shit. But anyway, I might sing later. I don't know. Anyway, I just thought I'd give you an update on how stupid and ridiculous we are. But yeah, what a wonderful, wonderful community. Fantastic. Anyway, take it easy.
Well good. I watched him do it. I'm doing that.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, back
Lucky Weedies!
Hello.
Right there.
I dropped one. I dropped one.
I wonder what that smell were.
That's just no body spray.
So we've met many YouTube legends in the bushcraft field this afternoon, and had several vessels, as you may or may not tell. But yeah, so they're all over there. Anyway, we're going to have we've got a little fire pit going. We're going to have a steak, quality steak at that.
Dave from Northern Outdoors.
Dave from Northern Outdoors, official. Northern Outdoors official quality. So yeah, so we're gonna have a steak and some potatoes, and I've got a little bit of garlic seasoning. You fancy that, don't you, Johnny?
Well, I forgot me. I didn't. I should have got it up way down. Tomato sauce, brown sauce, and mustard.
Oh, I nearly swore. But anyway, we're gonna have a bit of that and
mustard.
Colonel mustard.
Must have been good.
In the library with the lead pipe.
Must have been good.
Anyway, we've got a few beers, so I'm gonna shut up.
Told you.
Oh yeah. Just got some garlic and herb seasoning, and I'm just gonna sort it out. Put a little bit of oil on, which is in that packet there, and then it's going on the grill.
Why would you take a stool
3
up?
months.
What are you doing, Johnny? Get his spuds out. Don't cut yourself like I've just done, mate.
No, I won't do.
You see,
Oh!
he's gonna stick it in.
Oh, I better cock it now.
So my dad gave me this little, it's like a Swiss Army knife set thing. Goes together. But anyway, nice massive steak, loads of potatoes, and this this little Swiss Army knife type thingy. I don't know what. Anyway, you got to, obviously it sticks together. Fantastic piece of kit. Cheers, Dad. Perfect for the old tender steak. Yeah. That's for tomorrow night. The whole hog roast. Can't wait. Fantastic. Here at the ranch. Fabulous. Appreciate y'all. So we've just got up this morning. Some are more tender than others, especially the sausage and the spam. That's especially tender. And now pan over. Johnny's got his kippers already, and he's just doing these wonderful Lancashire black puddings. And all we need now is to set off the beans, which is in there, and we're good to go. Breakfast camping out on the ranch. Yeah. How's the breakfast, Johnny?
Well, good, Jeff.
Excellent. Dave?
Brilliant, thank you very much.
No worries. There we go. Cracking little mesh fire pit. Amazing little thing. 20 quid on Amazon. I don't think even that did the job. There we go. So Dave from Northern Outdoors Official's got his yoke knife. Absolutely beautiful piece of kit. Extremely well made. Unbelievable. As sharp as a Wilkinson sword razor blade. And it cuts through wood no problem. Look at that. Absolutely. And still absolutely razor sharp. Incredible. While we're waiting and relaxing and chilling out, just rounding the town, I'll show you my little setup. It's slightly different this week. The same DD outside and the DD mesh inner, but I've got this Outwell Dreamboat, 3-inch thick. It's not the lightest thing, but I'll tell you what, man, is it ever comfy. With the Thermarest pillow, which is like memory foam, it's so comfortable. And obviously this is for winter, and you can turn it round, and the other side is for that's for summer, the other side is for winter. Gives you an extra maybe 6-7 degrees protection, but man, is it ever comfortable. With I just got an old merino wool blanket off eBay for about 20 quid, I think it was. That kept me toasty all night. So yeah, really loving this. Fantastic. Like I say, it's not the lightest, but super comfortable. Well worth taking if you're in the car. You can just throw it in. Yeah, slept like a baby last night. Brilliant. So while I'm at it, I'd just like to thank Craig at East Anglian Bushcraft on YouTube, and also Liam at Primal Nomad, for setting all this Bushcraft community weekend up. It's been absolutely fabulous so far, and yeah, we can't thank you enough, boys. So thank you very much from me and from Dave, and obviously my good friend and compadre Johnny Tedpeg.
Hello.
Cheers, boys. Much appreciated. Been brilliant. Dave just reliably informed me that I forgot Alex from community camps. It's his place. So I've got to give a massive shout out to Alex. A really, really nice guy as well.
Thanks for looking after Pig all night.
Yeah. He was up every hour looking after the hog on the spit thing that we're going to have tonight for tea. So every hour all night, stoking the fire, turning the hog, making sure it's sweet and perfect for tonight's tea, should I say. Yeah, so thank you, Alex. Fantastic place, it's beautiful. Love it, the horses, everything's fantastic. Yeah, can't fault it, cannot fault it.
There's a Spitfire.
Fly over every hour. Doesn't get more British than that.
Oh, the egg. Not Birmingham, we come in.
That Merlin engine you can hear, it's beautiful.
It's often.
So, just had a couple of beers, you know, like you do after your breakfast, dinner. I forgot what I was going to say now. We'll drink. It's like being back in the States. Love it, absolutely love it. It is. So, sorry if you can see that, but beer a pound, ale and wine 2, spirits 3, cocktails 4, all that, snacks a quid. It's not ripping anybody off. That's how it should be. Nature cold, so we're just going back to the ranch and have a couple of beers. The keg's nice and cold, 3 beers, which is marvellous. I've got one in front of my hand, which is nice and cold. And Saturday is just as good as yesterday, so this is absolutely wonderful. Such lovely people, very friendly, from all walks of life, all parts of the UK. Extremely friendly, nice, decent, honourable people. What a wonderful community the Bushcraft community is. Fantastic. It's almost ready. A little bit of crackling fell off there, but we just got it. 2 quality chefs over there doing the thing. They know what they're doing. Fantastic. Hours and counting. Looks beautiful. So we're having a few beers and me and my compadres here. Johnny's having none of it that you can light a fire with a glass bottle or water in a condom or a magnifying glass. And I know because I've done it thousands, well not thousands, slight exaggeration. I've done it hundreds of times. And he's not having it, And Dave here, he's ex-military, so he knows us. He's the same as me, he knows. Oh, a lot of loving going on over here.
Good doing it. Oh, he calls that camera.
So the pig's being carved. And it was very, very nice, as you can see from my good friend in court, Mr. Johnny Tentpeg there, stuffing his face, and rightly so. And he loves it, just like I did. And it's going to end up all over his face, but he's not bothered, just like I wasn't. Anyway, I'm going to have a Guinness.
Oh my I did a beef festival years ago. No. I'm an 88 kid. I've never seen I worked fucking 18 till 2009. I've never seen James Brown.
We're in the Kent countryside. It's fucking beautiful, isn't it?
Top guy, Johnny Tempeg, you know. Top guy, honestly. So, anyway, we shared a joke before this stupid video, but I'm not going to tell you what it is. Mainly because I can't be asked. Anyway, yeah, moving on. And thank you to oh shit, man, I can't remember his name now. But he gave me a free Guinness because he knows I love it. Which is really nice, isn't it? Of course it is. Des.
See,
Yes.
Dave comes to save the
Des
day.
Catties, yeah.
Dave comes to save the day.
Des knows, we had a chat last night and he knows I love Guinness. And he just brought one over. He didn't said it, he just went, Jeff, bang. What do you think to that, Johnny?
Sound. I don't even know what was that. I don't even know what that was.
Oh, man. So after that shenanigans, we got even worse. And we had several more beers. And I forgot to film everything. We were really, we'd had more than a few beers. It was good. Fantastic. So obviously I haven't filmed anything from that point onwards. And when we got up this morning, you could imagine the state of us. So we didn't, I didn't do that either because anyway, and my battery ran out anyway. So yeah. So in closing this little adventure, I just want to say again, massive thanks to Craig at East Anglia Bushcraft, Liam, Primal Nomad, Cowboy Col, who you'll have seen with all that and everything, that it's his land, and Alex as well, who's doing all the chefing as well as Delboy, and all the people that I met as well in between. Too many names to mention obviously in one little video, but just wanted to say a massive thank you. Really enjoyed ourselves, all three of us. Dave, no name Dave from Northern Outdoors, and my compadre and camping buddy, Johnny Tempeg, of course. Yeah, we absolutely loved it. So we're looking forward to the next one. Hopefully we'll get to the Bushcraft show in near Leicester, I think it is, isn't it? So hopefully we'll get there. But if not, we'll see you at another community Bushcraft event sometime soon. So yeah, thanks again. It was absolutely brilliant. We loved it. The weather was kind. The hog roast was brilliant. The camaraderie and the crack and the friendship that was extended to us, we really did appreciate. It was fantastic. So take it easy, gents, and I'll see you really soon. Ta-da.